this is Nick and Maya from RedeemReviews.com. Now, let's get to the questions.
Nick, what model is this Lego set?
It's called Excavator Transport. Doesn't say on the box.
What number?
It's number 4203.
And how many pieces?
305.
Okay. What age range do you think is suitable?
I'd say this is a 5 to 25.
Okay. What features are on this model?
Well, on this model, there are not many obvious features. This excavator spins around like that. Its thingy spins around like that. Its drill. You can swap the bucket with the drill so that now the excavator's got a bucket on it, like
It's not a digger.
that. And the excavator can come off the truck, and also the truck itself is actually a little delivery van, and it's got a little trailer on it, and it hitches to the trailer with that special bit there and that hole there, and then looks like that. The excavator, it's got a bendable crane arm, and it's got really interesting wheels. Most excavators have caterpillar tracks, but this one's got wheels. No one knows why, really. Probably because there's not many good Lego caterpillar tracks. And it can drive forwards, spin, backwards. As long as it's got a direction in the end. And that's about all the special features. Oh, the doors open and close.
Yeah, this can also turn.
Yeah, it can turn.
Okay, what star rating and difficulty rating would you give this product?
Difficulty rating 20. We got very confused at it. 20 out of 20. But when it comes to star rating, it's definitely 5 out of 5.
Okay.
Oh, another special feature. To put this together, that bit actually comes off. And there's some studs at the back. But it takes a long time to put back on after you've taken it off, so I do not advise it. There we go.
These also have gold in them, don't they?
Yeah. These rocks have gold in them. 4 pieces of gold, or at least that's the amount we put in each because we wanted it even, nice and even, so that none of the rocks got angry. Even though they wouldn't, they're only Lego. And rocks don't get angry, but we thought it'd be pretty funny. And if you want to learn to be in a band and you want to play something like the maracas, use them.
There's also like a dynamite thing, isn't there?
Yeah, there's some dynamite attached to the truck that you can pretend to make the rocks blow up. Now, I think that's all the features. Got any more questions to ask?
No, that's it.
Oh, well, I guess there are some special little lights on the trailer. Little bits stick up. And it's got a number plate and reversing lights. Oh, and William's about to come in. Well, William won't come in, so I'll have to do the characters on my own. This guy's pretty cool. He's got a little head cap and he's got an axe, pickaxe. He has got printing on the back of his torso and on his torso, but he has none on his legs, and he's got a pretty cool face. He hasn't been shaven for a long while. And this guy is pretty cool. He's got glasses, he's got an awesome hat, He's got back torso printing, he's got front torso printing, no leg printing, and he looks as if he's hard of sight, and he's got a little beard.
He looks as if he's hard of sight.
Yeah, he's wearing glasses.
Oh. Is that it?
Yeah, that's about it for this review. Other than these special little funnels, these two little exhaust pipes on the lorry. That's it.
Okay.
Except first I'm going to quickly do a little scenario before we stop. So these are attached together. That guy might be an archaeologist, you know, probably. So there we go, that's my scenario. Let me just give you a close-up of the scenario. There you go, and that's all from this review. So, bye guys.
Bye.
Done.